Are you over 50 and always feeling tired? Do you wake up feeling drained even after a good night's sleep? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll uncover the surprising reasons why this happens and, most importantly, share simple, natural ways to fix it. Tiredness isn't just a normal part of getting older. It's often a sign that something needs attention. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of tips to reclaim your energy and feel like your younger self. Stick around because some of these remedies might surprise you. Why are we so tired after 50? Let's investigate the common culprits behind that constant tiredness. Changes inside your body. Physical causes. These are things happening within your body that affect how you produce energy. Your everyday habits, lifestyle causes. How you live your life each day can really impact your energy levels. Things around you and your health. Environmental and medical factors. External factors and any health conditions can also play a part in feeling tired. Hormone havoc. As we age, especially after 50, our hormone levels change. Hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and thyroid hormones start to decline. These hormones are vital for energy, metabolism, and mood. So when they're out of balance, you can feel drained. Sleep troubles. As we get older, we're more likely to experience sleep problems like sleep apnea, which disrupts our sleep. Even if you're in bed for long enough, poor sleep quality means your body can't recharge properly, leaving you tired during the day. Missing nutrients. We need certain nutrients to produce energy like vitamin B12, magnesium, and iron. If we don't get enough of these from our diet, it can really zap our energy and we might not even realize it. Sitting too much. Modern life often means a lot of sitting, at work, at home, in the car. This lack of movement slows down your metabolism and makes you feel sluggish. Stress overload. Life can be stressful at any age, but over 50, we might have different worries, finances, health, or family. Constant stress keeps your body on high alert, making you feel exhausted. Not drinking enough. Dehydration is a big energy drainer. As we age, we don't feel thirsty as easily, making it easier to become dehydrated without realizing it. Toxin buildup. Over time, our bodies can accumulate toxins from things like processed food and environmental pollution. These toxins can overload the liver, making us feel sluggish. Hidden health issues. Sometimes, tiredness can be a sign of an underlying health condition, like diabetes, heart disease, or adrenal fatigue. These conditions need proper medical attention. The good news, you can get your energy back. You don't have to accept fatigue as your new normal. Simple, natural changes can make a huge difference and help you feel vibrant again. To effectively tackle tiredness, we need a multi-pronged approach. Get to the root of the problem. Figure out what's causing your fatigue in the first place. Tweak your daily routine. Small changes to your habits can have a big impact on your energy. Give your body a reset. Cleansing your body and supporting its natural functions can help restore your energy. Balance your hormones. Eat foods that can help balance your hormones naturally, like flax seeds, soy, and leafy greens. You can also ask your doctor about adaptogens like ashwagandha. These herbs can help manage stress hormones and reduce fatigue. Improve your sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid screens for an hour before bed, as the blue light they emit can interfere with your sleep. Try natural sleep aids like valerian root or chamomile tea to relax and sleep better. Fuel up with nutrients. Make sure you're getting enough of the nutrients that give you energy. Eat foods like spinach, rich in iron, almonds for magnesium, and eggs packed with B12. Simple lifestyle changes for more energy get. Moving. Gentle exercise like walking or yoga improves circulation and boosts energy. Aim for at least 30 minutes each day to get your body moving. Manage stress. Try mindfulness or meditation for 5-10 minutes a day to calm your mind. You can also use calming essential oils like lavender to de-stress. Stay hydrated. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. For an extra hydration boost, add a pinch of Himalayan salt or a slice of lemon to your water. Eat clean. Choose whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Cut back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Opt for natural energy boosters like berries and avocados. Harness the power of herbs. Support your liver's natural detox process with milk thistle. Swap your coffee for matcha green tea. It provides sustained energy without the caffeine crash. Try intermittent fasting. This involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It can help balance hormones, boost metabolism, and improve digestion, leading to more energy. Busting the myths about fatigue myth. Fatigue is just part of getting older. Fact. It's often caused by lifestyle choices or treatable conditions. Myth. Caffeine is the answer. Fact. Relying too much on caffeine can actually disrupt your energy levels, causing crashes later on. Myth. You need expensive supplements. Fact. Many natural remedies and dietary changes can be just as effective. A real-life success story. Susan, 57, was always tired. But after adding magnesium-rich foods to her diet and doing some deep breathing exercises, she got her energy back in just a few weeks. This shows that simple changes can make a real difference. Your turn to feel energized. Choose one tip from this video and try it today. Let us know how it goes in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need an energy boost. In our next video, we'll reveal the 5 worst habits that are secretly draining your energy every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Remember, feeling vibrant and energetic over 50 is absolutely achievable. You've got this.